Hey loves, it's Brianna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to take you grocery shopping with me so you can see what the prices look like in Hawaii right now, and then I'll do a grocery haul once I'm home and done shopping. Thank you so much for subscribing, and make sure you stay tuned for some recipes at the end of this video. And here we are at Foodland. Yeah, we have a lot of stuff actually we need to stock up on today. I feel like after our Disney trip we depleted everything, so we have lots we need to get, huh? Lots to do. Okay, here we are. Hayden is already, he's like reaching and crying for, you want the blueberries? Blueberries are like his favorite food at the moment. And the special here is 2 for $8. And let's see, raspberries are $6, blackberries $6, and strawberries are $7. Welcome to Hawaii prices. And bananas are $1.39 a pound. I need to get 2 onions, so it's $2.50 a pound. Your onions. I need some salad, so this is, I think it says $5.99. What? If you notice, he's not letting go of the blueberries. Can I try? Here, watch what happens. Here, give mommy the blueberries. Okay, here you go. We're having a meltdown if he doesn't get the blueberries, so. Toddlerhood, it's the best, man. And the cherry tomatoes I need are $7. This is the Kama Aina kitchen, which means like people who live here. And they have a bunch of yummy pre-made stuff. It actually all smells really, really good right now. Those potato wedges actually look awesome. Orange chicken. You're into poke. Got the hookup here. This is where I normally shop. The value packs or manager special. In case you're wondering how much a loaf of bread is here, you can get it for a little under $3. But these are what the kids are obsessed with. And eggs, depending on what kind you get, it's like they start around $5, but some are like really expensive if you get like the organic ones. Here's the milk. You can get usually a lot cheaper at Target. You can find it for like $4, but a lot of other stores it's just much higher, so like sometimes you pay close to $8 depending where you shop for your milk. Well, we did some damage, but we're gonna have to go to Target for milk and a couple of other things that they didn't have here and that I know are less expensive there. Always make sure to bring lots of reusable bags for here. And everyone always asks, but masks are required in all the stores here.
When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me, but this time.
Okay, I'm gonna give you a fast haul before everything gets too hot here. I want to put it away fast. I got a huge pack of chicken breasts because a lot of the recipes I'm making this week required chicken breasts. So I got a big pack of that. I got some salad mix. I needed to restock on eggs, and then I want to make some like at-home shamrock shakes. So I got peppermint extract for that. Then some other recipes to like look up what I'm making this week and tell you. I'm like forgetting off the top of my head. Ground yellow mustard, I needed that. I didn't have any on hand. And I also needed more onion powder. One of the things I know I'm making, it's a crock pot chicken pot pie. So I needed cream of chicken soup for that. Oh, as I'm like seeing the things, I'm remembering what I'm gonna make. There was another one called like Irish potato skins. That's what it was. It was Irish potato skins. So you used corned beef instead of like bacon with the cheese and these like baby red potatoes, like the red skin potatoes. So I was making some like St. Patrick's Day sort of recipes is what I figured I would do. Then I got some mushrooms because I'm gonna make some hibachi chicken and the yum yum sauce to go with it. And I got the mozzarella cheese because this was sort of like a spur of the moment, but I was like, oh, this will be great for the kids' lunches or even like for our family dinner. There's mini pizza crust. I thought that was so great. I've never seen these before. And I know I already have pizza sauce in the pantry. So I was like, okay, we'll do some mini pizzas. I stocked up on some yogurt for the week. The sharp cheddar cheese is for those Irish potato skins. Oh, and I got, this is kind of like my little vice, my guilty pleasure, I guess, is my diet caffeine-free Pepsi. I don't know why. It's like, I just like will treat myself to one every now and then, and I was out. But as far as the cheese goes, this was actually on sale. It was like the same price as the like regular like store brand cheese that's usually the cheapest there, but I love the creamy melt. I feel like it's so good for cooking. It's like my favorite kind of cheese to get. Got some bananas, also got some zucchini for the stir fry. I was gonna use that as like one of the veggies, some carrots, provolone cheese, because another thing I'm gonna make are these Guinness, it's like a Guinness roast beef slider. So here, I'll kind of pop around. I got the roast beef for it and the Hawaiian sweet rolls, even though the kids just like to eat these plain, but it's like a recipe where you use the pack of the sweet rolls for it, and the Guinness is right next to it. And you make sort of like a Guinness sauce that you like put on the meat and like you brush on the top of the rolls. I don't know, it looked really good when I was on Pinterest and found that recipe. I got wheat thins. They didn't have my hummus though. I like this hummus from Target, so I'm gonna get that next. I needed chicken stock for the crock pot chicken pot pie. The biscuits also are to then go with that crock pot chicken pot pie, and I think like the buttermilk flaky layers are my favorite kind of those biscuits. Half and half, which I think, yes, I need this for the at-home shamrock shakes, along with the vanilla ice cream, which it was recommended to get like something that's a very like rich vanilla ice cream so that it like tastes really good, or else add vanilla extract along with that peppermint. Onions for some of those recipes, sour cream to garnish the Irish baked potatoes. Sorry, Encanto's going on in the background, guys. It's the only way I can do this without Hayden freaking out right now because it's almost his nap time. I got lemon juice and lime juice because I was out of those. I got some more olive oil butter. I got a block of feta cheese because I am gonna do, where are the tomatoes? Like the viral TikTok. I'm gonna do that, but instead of putting pasta in it, I'm gonna do chicken breast so that it's like a lower carb kind of a thing. And I got the cauliflower gnocchi then to also use because I was like, oh, that would be so good with like chicken, and cauliflower gnocchi is like a low carb but still like really yummy Italian food. Whipped cream for on top of those shamrock shakes. Got a bottle of Apothic. I got the Crush actually instead of the regular because Adam got me a bottle of that for Valentine's Day. So that week when I was having it, I was like, oh, the Crush actually is really good, like add some variety. I got waffle mix. The kids love when I make heart-shaped waffles. I have a little like heart-shaped waffle iron. The green onions for garnishing those Irish potato skins, carrots, peas for the crock pot chicken pot pie, blueberries, which Hayden dumped half of these on the ground while we were there. I felt so bad. I was like apologizing in person. He was literally like, don't even worry about it. It happens all the time. I was like, I'm so sorry. So yeah, so that's what I got for right now. And I still have to get some more things from Target. Oh, that's what I wanted to show you guys, was how much it all actually is here. Okay, so you can see right there, it was, oh, no, you can't see. Come on, camera. $234 for what you see here. Camera just doesn't want to focus in this light today. And it does show that I saved $40 with their like Foodland card. So if you ever come shopping at Foodland, make sure you get one of those cards because it does at least save you some money. I feel like everything is so expensive right now though. Like so expensive. Like I was prepared when we moved to Hawaii, like, okay, you're gonna be paying a lot more for groceries than you were in Ohio, obviously. But holy cow, like it is just getting crazy at the moment. And so I'm trying to not stress about it because I'm just like praying to God. I'm like, you're gonna provide for us, and I'm trying to like stay calm. But I'm just curious, like obviously I haven't grocery shopped in the mainland for a long time. Leave in the comments like, where do you live and how much is your like cost of groceries right now, or like even a comparison of like, here's what I had been paying and like lately now here's what I'm paying, because I'm just curious. I think like other people might be curious about that too. And yeah, if there's like anything that you're finding is like a way to like help you cut costs, please let me know, because obviously like I'm trying not to stress about it, but I also just want to be smart about it too. So let me know. Well, I ended up doing a Target run after I got Landon, and I forgot I brought Coley in the car, so she's here with us. Say hi, Cole. For a couple things that I couldn't find at Foodland. Okay, here's grocery haul number 2. So these are the items then that I went to Target to get, because I just know they're a little bit cheaper there. I'll start with just some of the, not really groceries, but you know, you still get it there. Paper towels, and I needed fabric softener. Coley was out of food, and I needed, where is it? The Dawn Power Wash refill. I like the free and clear one. I mean, the scents smell really good too, but I just usually end up gravitating towards anything that's free and clear. And of course, this is not groceries. That's why I'm always like, Target, even though I save money on groceries, I end up buying other things. We saw these, and Landon's like, we need one for like me, Presley, and Hayden. So I got those, and yeah, it's crazy that like spring cleaning and stuff are gonna be coming up here. I'm gonna move to this side where I kind of faced everything out for you to be able to see it better. I've been getting these, they're like English muffins, but they're whole wheat. I love them with like peanut butter and banana on them, but the kids just love them in the morning with butter on them, or Prezi likes peanut butter on hers though too. So Landon saw those and he's like, I want more of those, Mom. And then I blame my girlfriend, Sarah. She actually came to Hawaii couple weeks ago, and she gave us some of their groceries that they didn't use, and she'd gotten this like deluxe mac and cheese. The kids loved it, so I got a 3-pack of that. I also got the Panera mac and cheese because this is the one Presley asked for, and today Landon was with me and he was asking for this one too, which it's annoying because it's way more expensive than the Target brand one, but I was like, okay, you guys have that one and then this kind. Then I just stocked up on some cans that I needed for some recipes, or just like, I like having these on hand too sometimes when I like throw things together, like if I make taco bowls or something. But diced tomatoes and corn and black beans. I got 2 things of corn because I know I'm gonna be using corn in the one recipe this week. They had fresh basil there, which this is kind of cool. It actually has like the roots attached, so it should stay fresher for a lot longer. I thought that was really neat. Or I don't even know, like, could you actually plant this? If you can, I might try to do that. And then I got raspberries and blackberries because one was $3.89, one was $3.99. So I was like, okay, we're getting some berries because if you remember the prices in Foodland, these are much better priced. Still not a great price, but much better price. And I was so bummed. I got the red pepper hummus. Normally, I love, love, love the Good & Gather jalapeno avocado hummus. So good. I mean, this one's okay too, but I was bummed they were out of it, so I just got that one. Presley always asks for these Danimal smoothies, especially the princess ones are her fave. I got pineapple spindrift is my favorite, and Landon likes the blackberry, so got those, and chocolate milk, and the 2% reduced fat milk. I always try to get organic if I can. They didn't have any of the whole milk though, and I think, I'll look at the receipt, I think these were like $3.99 or $3.89, I can't remember. So again, just like much better than Foodland's prices on milk. And I had to get Hayden this for whole milk. It was like the only whole milk that they had. And this is my almond, it's vanilla creamer. I use this every morning in my coffee, which this is my coffee. They had a special, it was like buy one, get one for something off, maybe 50 or 25% off. But I know Adam loves this coconut and mocha coffee. There's also, I think, a vanilla cream puff one he likes a lot too. He likes the donut shop coffees. Landon suckered me into getting him this. He was like, please, Mom, my friend at school has Pringles for snack. And I was like, okay. And I got if I could speak, I got rainbow chip frosting because it's one of my favorites. And I have some brownie bites that I got the last week I was at the store that I like to just put frosting on top. Same thing, this chocolate fudge one. That one makes it super easy because it has the tip already. But I think I went through everything that I have here. So yeah, so this was the Target order. Let me check how much it was. All right guys, it was $193. Ah! Don't move to Hawaii for the grocery prices. And just in case you guys are wondering like why I don't go to Costco or Sam's Club or something like that, I do on occasion. The only issue is they're on the complete other side of the island from us. So it's quite a drive. It's really difficult to do when the kids are in school, and with Hayden's nap, like by the time I drop them off, would get out there, actually do my shopping, and then drive all the way back. It's just hard. And then also, like, we don't have a ton of storage space here. So it's not like in Ohio where I had a basement that I could sort of stock up on a lot of things, or if I did buy in bulk that I could just like put what we need in the like pantry. Like we just have like that, if you see it over there, sorry my tripod's out too. Like that's the pantry where I keep a lot of dry goods, and then I sort of have this as like an extra pantry area, and this is all of like my spices. Everything is a mess right now, by the way, guys. Like I can show you. So if yours is a mess, don't feel bad. This, like, it definitely all needs like probably a little spruce up of organization, but that's just kind of what I have then besides the fridge too, of where I can store things. So it's really hard, even though the price might make sense for certain things to buy in bulk. And like there definitely are some things that I have, or like I will try when we're there, just be like, okay, I'm gonna buy toilet paper when we're there, or paper towels when we're there, or laundry detergent, like that kind of stuff as much as possible, where it's like, okay, this just makes sense to buy it in bulk. But it's, again, it's just difficult to like get out there and really like plan and grocery shop there, because then I feel like I'll get like, you know, a big thing of some kind of fresh produce and it goes to waste. So I really only ever buy like produce or anything like that at those stores too, like when we had Hayden's birthday and there was like a bunch of people coming. So yeah, so that's why I feel like, and I haven't gone to the Costco. That's like one of the things I've been like saying for a while. Maybe I should do like my first time shopping at Costco or something along those lines. Maybe eventually I will, when like Hayden gets down to just one nap. We can maybe be a little bit more adventurous in what we do during the day. And I know I was complaining about this hummus before. If you do end up getting this kind and you like spicy, I love adding red hot to it. That makes it, to me, taste a lot better. I like spice on my hummus. This was a new box of wheat thins. Was there like a mouse or something? Like, is that normal? First of the 3 recipes I have is this easy 3-bean chili. First, cook a small minced onion, add a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic and 1 pound of ground turkey on medium until browned. Then add 2 teaspoons onion powder, 1 tablespoon cumin, 1 tablespoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon salt, and 1 teaspoon pepper. Then add a can of corn that's drained, a can of diced tomatoes, can of white beans, handful of diced carrots, a can of chili beans, and a can of black beans. I don't drain the beans or tomatoes, just the corn, but let this all simmer on low for as long as possible, and then you can serve with shredded cheese, sour cream, cilantro, and any other garnishes you love on your chili. Enjoy. Here are 2 St. Patrick's Day recipe ideas for you. First are these Irish potato skins. Boil red skin potatoes until they are easy to poke with a fork for about 10 minutes. Remove from the water and cool, then slice in half and use a teaspoon to scoop out a chunk of the insides. Mix that with 1/2 a cup of corned beef, 1/2 a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, a tablespoon of butter, and a generous seasoning of salt. Refill the potato skins and then place on a baking sheet. If the potatoes won't stand, I cut a little slice off the bottom so it stayed upright, and bake these for 10 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Garnish with sour cream and scallions and enjoy. And here's a Guinness beef slider recipe Adam loved. Roughly slice 1 small onion and an 8-ounce package of mushrooms. Add to a pan on medium-high heat with 1/2 a cup of Guinness. Cook until softened and the Guinness is nearly evaporated and remove from the pan. For the glaze, add 4 tablespoons butter, the rest of the bottle of Guinness, 1 teaspoon onion powder, 1 tablespoon parsley, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a heaping tablespoon of minced garlic. Bring this to a boil, turn to low, simmer until thickened. You can add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch if the glaze isn't thicken enough. Then in a baking dish, put the bottom half of the Hawaiian rolls, top with sliced roast beef, those sauteed mushrooms and onions, add a layer of cheddar and provolone cheese, then the tops of the rolls. Drizzle with that glaze evenly over the tops of the buns and bake in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 minutes. Slice and serve warm, and happy St. Patrick's Day, loves. I will have more recipes that I mentioned during this grocery haul coming up soon, so make sure you're subscribed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Sending you so much love right now. Stay strong.
Girl, I know what's bothering me.